So, David, do you keep in touch with friends from high school?
I do. A few of us stayed close over the years. We still meet up occasionally. How about you?
Same here. I'm still really close to my best friend from high school. We've been through so much together, so it's great to still have that bond.
That's awesome. There's something special about those long-lasting friendships. What do you usually do when you hang out?
Oh, we love catching up over coffee, going hiking, or sometimes just watching movies at home. Simple things, you know?
Sounds nice. My friends and I usually watch sports together or go out for food. It's relaxing to just talk about life.
Definitely. Do you think it's harder to make new friends as we get older?
I think so, yes. People are busier, and it takes more effort to connect deeply with new people. But I've found that joining groups or hobbies helps a lot.
True. I joined a book club recently and I've made a few new friends there. It's nice to bond over shared interests.
That's a great idea. I've been thinking of joining a local running group. It might be a good way to meet new people.
It's definitely worth a try. Sometimes it's all about finding those common interests.
Exactly. It's also about being open and making an effort. Friendships need that, don't they?
Totally. Staying connected takes time, but it's worth it for genuine friendships.
Hi, Emily. Do you have a minute? I've been struggling to sleep well lately, and it's starting to affect my energy during the day.
Of course, Anna. I've had similar issues before. What's been happening?
I just can't fall asleep easily, and even when I do, I wake up in the middle of the night. Do you have any tips?
Definitely. First, try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. It helps regulate your body clock.
That makes sense. I've been sleeping in on weekends, which might be throwing me off.
Exactly. Another tip is to avoid screens like your phone or laptop an hour before bed. The blue light can interfere with your sleep.
Oh, I'm guilty of scrolling on my phone in bed. I'll try to stop doing that. What else?
You could create a relaxing bedtime routine. For example, reading a book, meditating, or drinking herbal tea can signal to your body that it's time to wind down.
I like that idea. I've always found chamomile tea soothing.
Perfect. Also, make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. You can use blackout curtains or a white noise machine if needed.
My room is a bit bright, so blackout curtains could help.
Lastly, avoid heavy meals, caffeine, or alcohol close to bedtime. They can disrupt your sleep.
I didn't know about the heavy meals part. I sometimes snack late at night.
Try to stop eating at least 2 hours before bed. It makes a big difference.
Thanks, Emily. These tips sound practical.
This is unacceptable. I ordered my package a week ago, and it was supposed to arrive 2 days ago. Why is it late?
I'm really sorry to hear that, Mr. Johnson. I completely understand your frustration. Let me check your order details and see what happened. Can you please provide your order number?
It's 45,878. I've been waiting for this, and no one even bothered to update me.
I truly apologize for the lack of communication. I see here that there was an unexpected delay due to bad weather, which affected the shipment. I understand that this is inconvenient for you.
That's not my problem. I paid for fast shipping.
You're absolutely right. You paid for fast delivery, and you should have received your package on time. As an apology, I'd like to offer you a 10% refund on your shipping fee. Would that be acceptable to you?
Well, I suppose that's fair. But when can I expect my package?
According to our tracking system, it's out for delivery today and should arrive by this evening. I'll also send you an email with the tracking details so you can monitor it.
All right. I just hope this doesn't happen again.
I completely understand, Mr. Johnson. We value your business, and I'll make sure to report this issue to our shipping department so we can improve. If there's anything else I can do for you, please don't hesitate to ask.
No, that'll be all. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. Thank you for your patience, and I hope you have a great day.